Question number 1. Which has the highest wavelength among given choices? According to electromagnetic spectrum, microwave is the highest wavelength and lowest frequency. Which of the following is not a measure the central tendency of data, that is center variation? Froment sign is seen in injury of ulnar nerve. Which of the following nerve contains no cutaneous sensory fibers? Long thoracic nerve. In cryotherapy, ice should be applied for 20 to 30 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes every 2 hours. Normal motor nerve conduction velocity in upper limb is 45 to 70 meter per second. The instrument used to measure current intensity is ammeter. All are common with elbow dislocation except myositis ossificans. Which of the following measure is most important in preventive post-operative pulmonary embolism, that is ankle pumps? The attitude of policeman taking tip indicates injury to upper brachial from C5 to C6, C7. A patient reports feeling attitude book C8 and T1 will also be involved in this upper brachial plexus injury. A patient reports feeling frequent need to urinate and often leaks urine before reaching the bathroom. Which type of incontinence is most likely present? That is urge incontinence. A decubitus ulcer extends through the cutaneous tissue and has subcutaneous fat visible at the bottom of wound. What is the stage of this decubitus ulcer? That is stage 3. During initial evaluation of a patient, which of the following help best in assessing the general willingness of a patient to use an affected body part, that is active movement? Which of the following will not reduce ankle swelling following sprain? That is evaporative coolant. The traction force applied for lumbar spine in vertebra prolapsed intervertebral disc is 25% of the body weight. In contrast, but the period of immersion in hot and cold is 3 to 4 minutes in hot and then 1 minute for cold water. Meniscal calcification is a feature of pseudo-gout. Conventional TENS is low intensity and high frequency stimulation. The depth of penetration by diathermy is 3 cm. Which of the following modality is best suitable for reducing spasticity, that is cryotherapy? The resting membrane potential of skeletal muscle fiber is minus 90 millivolt. The following are not true about muscle blood flow except the resting muscle blood flow is 5 to 10 milliliter per 100 gram per minute. One patient is having difficulty with rapid alternative movement while performing neurological tests. The best term to describe this specific impairment is dysdiadokinesia. Next question. An elderly lady with right hemiplegia due to stroke presents 8 weeks later for rehabilitation. She complains of right shoulder pain during functional upper extremity movement and mid mobility exercises. On examination, the head of humerus is found to be inferiorly displaced. Which of the following would be the most appropriate for her condition, that is FES? A 60-year-old male patient with left shoulder pain. The patient notices pain on walking fast or climbing stairs. He has to stop walking or climbing because of pain. The pain gets relieved within a few minutes of rest. What is the best course of action to follow next? That is postpone treatment and refer the patient to his physician for further evaluation. A patient complains of pain in right hip while she is ambulating. Upon examination, you notice that the patient has significant drop to left hip while in mid stance on right leg. The most appropriate treatment for his treatment would be standing hip abduction of left leg. A patient present to the clinic with right shoulder pain and complain of difficulty reaching overhead. The patient reports great weakness and pain with throwing a ball. Which special test would be informative for this set of symptoms, that is push-up test? The best position for postural damage or right middle lobe, supine on a wedge with right shoulder elevated on pillows with head lower than the pelvis. A patient with a stroke affecting the right middle cerebral artery has difficulty walking, especially over uneven surfaces. Which of the following describes the most appropriate initial treatment to improve the ability to walk over uneven surfaces? Place a single point cane in patient's right hand and train him to step to gait pattern. A patient with spinal cord injury is able to press up from wheelchair using elbow extensor. Which spinal level must be intact to perform this maneuver, that is C7. Which of the following will strengthen the infraspinatus anterior minor muscle? Lateral rotation of the shoulder with elastic tubing. The physiotherapist suspects that a patient persists shoulder pain is due to injury to a specific muscle. Which of the following provides therapist with maximum information and identify the specific muscle? Resisted isometrics. The following are true. All are true of levers except wheelbarrow in as an example of class 3 lever. The following are true of ankylosing spondylitis except back pain characteristically increases with activity. The following are true of complex regional pain syndrome except osteosclerosis of on the X-ray. The following are tests for evaluation of integrity of circulatory cruciate ligament of knee except apprehension test. What is the first functional task that should be taught to a patient with T2 spinal cord injury? That is rolling. Milwaukee's brace is used for scoliosis. In cervical spine, posterior vertebral separation occurs at flexion angle of 20 to 30 degree. Which of the following is contraindication to traction? Cord signs. A patient with above knee prosthetic limb is displaying lateral trunk bending towards involved lower extremity while ambulating. Which of the following would be the most likely cause of this gait abnormality? Medial wall too high. Thalamus and hypothalamus belongs to which of the following? Diencephalon. A patient with a complete C5 spinal cord injury is preparing to perform therapeutic exercises on floor. Which of the following lifts would be most appropriate to use the transfer from the patient to the floor? Two-person lift. A patient who has suffered a stroke is having difficulty walking due to an extensive synergy in the lower extremity. Which of the following will be most beneficial in initial intervention to improve patient's ability to walk? Fit the patient with an ankle foot orthosis. A patient is receiving physical therapy treatment for weakness and difficulty transferring following an above knee amputation approximately 4 weeks ago. Which of the following will be the most important initial treatment to improve gait mechanics? Perform prone hip extension stretching. When using the parallel bar for gait training, what is the appropriate adjustment of height that will optimize stability and security for the patient? A height that allows for elbow flexion of approximately 20 degrees. When treating a patient with HIV, which of the following is most important consideration? Use protective equipment when in contact with the blood products. During ambulation, what is the normal range of plantar flexion? Ankle plantar flexion, that is 0 to 20 degree. Which of the following cervical spine joint is primarily responsible for flexion extension at the cranium? That occurs when a person is nodding. Yes, atlanto-occipital joint. Aquatic running is planned for a patient if the water level is at the patient's mid chest. Which of the best describes the percentage of body weight loaded through the lower extremity, that is 25%. A patient reports feeling dizzy, lighted-headed upon standing. He also noticed blurring of the vision at that time. He feels better on lying down. It is highly suggestive of orthostatic hypotension. Pain and tenderness just inferior to medial malleolus is suggestive of sprain of ligament, deltoid ligament, but anterior talofibular ligament sprain is most commonly found. When asked to demonstrate how to brush his teeth, the patient takes the toothbrush and begins brushing his hair. Which of the following conditions best represent the patient's impairment? That is apraxia. A patient physical therapist instructs a patient with right lower limb weakness to descend stair. The most appropriate position for the therapist to guard the patient in front of patient toward the right side. In high steppage gait, There is weakness of ankle dorsiflexors. A patient with right knee injury has been advised to walk without bearing weight on the affected lower limb. The most appropriate gait pattern for his patient is three-point gait. Which of the following will improve the quality of gait of a patient with Parkinson's? Increased trunk rotation. For a patient with residual quadricep weakness following a knee surgery, which of the following electrical stimulation will be most effective in increasing quadricep strength? That is neuromuscular electrical stimulation. Handicap is best defined as disadvantage that prevents fulfillment of a role that is normal. Large amplitude oscillations to the limits of available motion represent joint mobilization of which grade 3. Total plasma calcium changes its degree of ionization with pH changes. The velocity of conduction of nerve action potential is faster in a myelinated fiber than in unmyelinated fiber. Regarding reflex action, all are true except is not influenced by higher centers in brain. Athlete differ from normal individual is having higher maximum oxygen consumption. Stimulation of parasympathetic nervous system causes contraction of the detrusor muscle in the bladder. In normal walking, pelvic tilt is about 5 degrees. Which of the following sensation requires parietal lobe or final perception? Graphesthesia. Ultrasonic effect is primarily due to elevation of temperature from absorption of energy. Hydrocollateral pack are heated in water up to 140 to 160 degree Fahrenheit. Lesion involving the posterior parietal region of non-dominant hemisphere will result in constructional apraxia. A power of 2 plus on manual muscle test indicates the patient is able to complete less than a half of available range of motion against gravity. Spasticity is defined as velocity dependent increase in tone. Therapeutic frequency used in ultrasound is 800 to 3000 kHz. Measurement of axillary crutches 5 cm below axilla and 15 cm laterally. Shoulder dislocation is caused by vigorous abduction with external rotation. Poliomyelitis is caused by viral bacterial infection in the anterior horn cell. Stimulation of the 10th cranial nerve causes all except constriction of coronary vessels. On changing from upright to supine position of not with following the following does not occur, baroreceptor activity increases. Unilateral transaction of dorsal nerve root C3 to T2 produces loss of reflexes. If a normal person hyperventilates for 2 hours to an arterial partial pressure of carbon dioxide of 35 mm Hg, the Hb oxygen dissociation curve shifts to left. Sensation from medial aspect of leg is carried by L4. A rehabilitation technique least useful in cerebral palsy is electrical stimulation therapy. Ultraviolet B radiation has a wavelength of 315 to 280 nanometer. Trophic electrotherapy is used for intact denervated muscles. Impingement position of rotator cuff of shoulder is abduction, flexion, and internal rotation. Muscle contracture is an adaptive change in normal muscle immobilized for a long time. Hamstring muscles are semitendinosus, semimembranosus, bicep femoris, and adductor magnus. The amount of oxygen consumed per body weight per minute in one metabolic equivalent to of activity is 3.5 ml. A child with cerebral palsy shows poor participation in therapy. A reward system in form of stickers for good behavior is implemented. After that, the child performing better during treatment session. This is an example of operant conditioning. A person is able to speak but he is unable to comprehend verbal commands. What is the type of language problem he has? That is receptive aphasia. Tilting of pelvis occurs maximally in mid-stance phase. In COPD pulmonary function test, what will not reveal? Increase in maximum breathing capacity. Daroff's exercise is used for home exercise for BPPV. Both chin tuck and supraglottic swallowing is useful in delayed swallowing reflex and decrease laryngeal closure. Level 3 of Rancho's Los level of cognitive functioning scale responds to localized response. All the parameters of lung function test are reduced in obstructive lung disease except residual volume. Loading response in human gait cycle corresponds to foot flat. The type of muscle training associated with highest risk of injury is plyometry. In disuse atrophy, the muscle fiber that degenerate the earliest are type 1B. Regarding the quadriceps femoris muscle, which of the following is false? Supplied by lumbar root L3, L4, and L5. I hope these questions help you to prepare in your exams. Thank you.